Hi, how are you? Today you can see that I'm just working with a nice frame which is pure white color here, and I'm gonna draw a nice scenery. First, we can draw a straight line in the middle of the canvas from left to the right. Then we're using the crayons to provide the shades of the water and also the shades in the sky. Okay, you can draw an island here. Okay, and the reflections you can see on the water. The single tree which is just grown up here with the branches. So you can see the spiral branches which is mostly taller, putting the leaves on the top of the branches. And the branch is extended outward. So you can see lots of leaves on the top of the branches here. Okay. Also putting some leaves in the middle. Because of the shadow, you can see the darker portion is in the bottom and the brighter portion you can see on the top. Also drawing some additional branches to show the extension of the trees in the another layer. So that's why each time you draw a tree, everything looks different every time you draw it. It's not the same. There's the freedom of imagination if you create something of your own. So the imagination has no bounds, no limits. Putting the little darker shade along the border side, or the ocean meets the sky. There's a sun in the sky here. Okay. So moving the fingertips, you can just merging the whole drawing in another level. Awesome. Okay, now you can draw a few birds just flying in the sky. You can use the marker easily and drawing the birds flying. Sometimes you can put the V shape of the English alphabet, or in many other ways you can draw the symbolic presentations of the birds flying. Okay, so I'm not going to make this drawing any longer. All right, let's put it inside the canvas. All right, so here this is the transition points where the sky meets the ocean. Okay, so I'm using the fingertips here because the crayon color or oil pastel color mix very nicely in this medium. Sometimes you can also use the blending stump to make the drawing more lively. Okay, now I'm using the marker for more elaborate version of the current drawing, putting the grasses here so that it looks good, and drawing the main branches of the tree, just doing good. Okay, awesome. So these are the bottom lines of the trees, that's why you're just putting the darker shades inside in the bottom and on the side, and lighter shades on the top. Because the branches are visible in few places, that's why the tree looks different each time you draw it. Okay, so you can see that using additional medium or drawing in multiple levels makes the sketch very lively, and it becomes very wonderful drawing. Awesome. So that's it for today. Very simple drawing a tree here, and this is the water and the sky, the sun, and the birds flying. There's the drawing. And I'm thinking only one more thing that's going to be very little, that I'm going to put a boat here for more convenience. Awesome. So very simple thing, the boat, and the drawing becomes very lively. Thanks for watching. Have a good day.